Today we're in Two Rivers, Wisconsin at Colinberg Industries, a 130-year-old company, best in class for making horns for ships, trains, and arenas across North America. Today we're getting our first look at our Utah Mammoth bull horn. Come on in. We are 120 feet above the ice. It's the first ever 4-note horn that they've ever built for an NHL arena, and so it's pretty neat that we have the only one and that our fans have a truly unique experience. I don't know if they're ready for how loud it is.
For the first time here in Delta Center,